Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be my Glossybox unboxing for the month of January. Something kind of strange happened. I cancelled the subscription in December and got my last box. I didn't bother doing a video on it because I did the video, then I lost my SD card, and then by the time I found my SD card it was really late in the month and I thought it was kind of just pointless at that point. Anyway, I cancelled it. Then I get a notification that my Glossybox has been dispatched. I've looked on my account and I can't find where the subscription is. I don't know if it's not been cancelled or it has been cancelled. Does anybody else ever have any bother trying to cancel Glossyboxes? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, enough of that. So I have just opened the box, and inside, but not inside the pink box, inside the other box, is a free case of 8 craft beers from Beer 52 worth £24. You can claim it. You get a free box of Greys just for you, or deliver it to a friend with the code GB15 if anybody wants to use it. So that's Greys. You go to Greys and you use the code GB15 and they'll deliver you a free box if you like. I'll put it on the screen for you. 31% off everything at Emma. I think that's the mattress company, is it? So if you want to get 31% off, go to Emma and enter the code WINTEROFFER31 at the checkout page. I think it's mattresses. I think Emma mattresses are like them Simba mattresses. And then we've got your sanitizer. Glossybox discount code Glossy25, 25% at discount and 1 gift with each purchase. So it is for this little dude right here. And it's a Nami Nature Me nail polish for free. So yeah, that's on the Glossybox website. You just use Glossy25, you get 25% discount. I never use these things, so feel free to fire on and go for it yourself. Pink box as normal this month. We have a card. Okay, first thing we have is it just says Happy New Year Glossies. Daily Concepts, this is full size. Daily reusable rounds. Oh, these are like cotton rounds, but reusable ones, kind of like the halo, face halos. Oh, but they're thin and soft. Okay, so these are like a really, really thin version of the face halos. They are quite flimsy. There, look, can you see the dust coming off them? Oh, it looks like it's snowing. Oh my god. Okay. So I can imagine they're going to need a wee wash first, but it's just a reusable cotton pad because cotton pads are really bad for the environment. I think they've started making face wipes, or Simple definitely have, that are really good biodegradable ones. So these are just daily reusable ones. There are 2 of them and they are normally £6.80. These obviously are full size, and I think this is like exactly how you would get them if you ordered them. That is pretty cool. I will definitely use them anyway. Secondly, we have Ecooking. Obviously, all the details will be on the screen as normal. Ecooking Deluxe Mini Moisturising Serum. Little bottle like that. It is perfect for all ages and skin types. This serum gives your skin a likely much needed due to the cold weather moisture boost. By locking in your skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration, this Ecooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. The Deluxe Mini, which is this one, is 10ml and it's worth £22.50. The full size is 20ml and the RRP is £45. So obviously you only need a little bit of this and it's quite expensive. I'm definitely going to try it. I do need something to sort of help my face just now. You can get it at ecooking.com. I will put all this in the description box as well with all the links for you. I do like little serums like this, but I always wonder, like, how does it cost so much for such a tiny amount of product? Anywho, the next thing we've got is St. Luxe Beauty. It's a full size, it's a brow gel, and its normal RRP is £16. Let's open it up. So it's just a little tub like that. St. Luxe brow gel. It has, oh, a little wand. Oh, okay. It's clear. That's cool. Let's just give it a wee try. I do have my Benefit one in my brows just now. Yeah, I like the size of the little wand on that, the little spoolie. It's a really good size. I think it wouldn't be too annoying for somebody who had really thick and bushy brows, because you feel like with a little wand, I know that people feel like they're forever trying to get it through their brows, but it's not so big that somebody with thinner brows like me, it's going to go everywhere, because what normally happens is it goes all over your face. What have I got on my face? Oh, it's fluff from the... it's like a little bit of fluff from the first thing that we opened. That's really nice. It's normally £16, and it just says it's a gel that glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that stay put all day. Next thing we've got Glow On Fifth. It's a full size, and it's Rose Gua Shea Glow On Fifth. Yes, they've okay, Glossybox, you have to stop doing this to me. They've sent me the wrong thing, or they've given me the wrong leaflet. One of the two. So what should be in here, and I'll see if I can find a photo of it, is Glow On Fifth. It should be full size, and it's called Rose Gua Shea. This facial massage tool helps... Oh! I'm going to have to double check that. But it should be a little... Oh, I'm annoyed. I would have liked that. So it's basically a facial massage tool. It's like a flat stone. I'll put a picture of it here. It helps to contour your face and neck. Like, thanks Glossybox, I really needed that. But it is glowonfifth.com that you can buy it from. It was £10, but they've sent me this instead. I don't know why. This is a serum infused eye mask. It reduces dry circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling, and it's Mudmasky. I don't know what the RRP is for it. I will look it up. But this is a 30ml, and yeah, that's pretty much all it says, because it's not in my little booklet. This is the second time that they've done that. It's kind of annoying. I don't know if it's a different variant or if they've just run out of that and they don't expect you to notice. But anyway, next we have number 5, which is Beauty Pro Avacado Infused Sheet Mask. I do love a sheet mask. Avocado is supposed to be really good for you. It's $4.95, and it is an intensely hydrating and nourishing to the skin. This avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based, which is nice. And it's enriching superfood ingredients sourced from New Zealand. The sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I think I'll be using that tonight if I decide to go for the bath. Depends how hard my workout is. So yeah, I mean, you can never go wrong with a sheet mask. I like a sheet mask because I find that it's a lot less messy for some reason. The thing that was on the card that you can buy, obviously I don't need to buy one because it is here. Another full size. Everything was pretty much full size apart from that deluxe mini thing. So they cheated us on that a little bit. It is a hand disinfectant gel. It is your sanitizer. It's £2.72, which ain't bad at all. It's 60ml. Your sanitizer is a hand sanitizer gel with 75% ethanol, which is just alcohol. It kills 99.999% of germs whilst increasing your skin moisture by 34%. That's why Dermatest certified it as #1 sanitizer for sensitive skin. So here you go. If you are somebody who every time you go near hand sanitizer, your hand not breaks out, but you know what I mean, it gets really crazy dry or really sore or anything like that, this may be for you. Mine aren't too bad because I've just used it for such a long time. I think that they've just toughened up a little bit, and obviously I'm in and out of acetone, being a nail tech and a beauty therapist and stuff like that. But basically it has other ingredients in it that will help keep your skin hydrated as well as disinfected, basically, or sanitized. I've actually started going into places like Morrison's, M&S and that, and you know how you use the hand sanitizer at the door? First thing I'll do is I will sanitize and then I'll smell to see what it smells like because some of them are just disgusting. M&S, normally, last time I was there it wasn't right enough, but normally M&S's smells beautiful. One time I was in Morrison's and it smelled like Herbal Essences shampoo. The next time I went in it smelled like straight up tequila. So I've gotten into the habit of analysing and scoring different places' hand sanitizers because obviously they have to provide them for you. Okay. So when you first put it on, it's a gel, it's very jelly. I mean, it will run, but it is very thick, so it's not going to run out the tube as you use it. It smells very vodka-y ginny at first. And then, oh, it's got quite a nice fragrance. Not a fragrance, but it's got quite a nice smell once it goes away. Kind of like, almost like after sun. It does have aloe vera in it and vitamin E. So I'm probably smelling the aloe vera, to be honest. It does have quite a nice smell, and obviously it just is a hand sanitizer, but it's got little ingredients in it to help not dry out your hands, and my hands don't feel dry after it. They actually feel quite moisturised. I feel like I've maybe just put a moisturiser on. So if you are really struggling with hand sanitizer, this may be for you. It's £2.72 for 60 mils. There may be bigger sizes available on their website. I know that other places will do things like that as well, so definitely don't just buy your generic ones if they really hurt your hands. There really is no point in suffering. So I'm going to put on the screen how much the box was actually worth. And that is everything. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!